Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So today we'll see an issue with the Moodle data link files. So you have modified your Moodle data link files and you have successfully uploaded there inside Moodle data link directory, but still it is getting replaced automatically somehow. And you are tired with this and it is getting replaced again and again. Then there is a solution how you can do that. So that means there is something kind of scheduler that is replacing all your files. Okay, so for that you will have to stop the language scheduler. So for this you will have to come under the admin login area under the site administration, go to general, then search here the language and go to language settings and scroll down to the bottommost and you see here the task status. The task update all installed language packs is enabled. So in my case also it is enabled. So if it will be enabled, this scheduler will be executed based on the time specified here. Okay, so you will have to disable this one. So to disable this one I will have to click here under schedule task and it will directly take you to update all install language pack. Okay, if you are not finding this you just have to select search here the language pack. Now just click on these settings and you can see it is replacing, it is enabled with this time every 17 minutes and every 4 hours. It is it is being executed every 4 hours on 17 minutes it is executed. Now you will have to disable this one. So check this disable and click on save changes. Got it? So now you can see the task is disabled, is in disable states. Now you can verify your settings. Go again into the general, search here the language settings. Yes, the task, this one is disable now. Okay, so once you disable this one you will have to upload all your updated package to Moodle data lang file, and from the next time it should not replace automatically. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.